want to talk to you about my new JOULELADY Power Strip that I recently purchased on Amazon. This is a very compact, nice looking power strip that is a more of an unusual rectangular shape than other power strips on the market. What I really like about it is the number of plugs that come in this very compact package. It has 11 power plugs on it. There's 4 power plugs down the right side, 3 across the bottom, and then 4 across the left side. It also has 4 USB ports, 2 USB-C ports, and then an on-off switch. What I like about this on-off switch is when you have it plugged in, this little smiley face turns blue when the power is on, and then when you press the button to turn it off, it turns off. So that way you can turn on and off all of your components that are plugged in at the same time. I also like this power plug design that it comes with because it's a flathead plug. It allows you to plug it behind furniture under very tight quarters, and it's also offset at a 45-degree angle so that when you plug it in on a line of plugs, you won't be interfering with the plugs above or the plugs below it. The last thing I wanted to talk to you about my JOULELADY Power Strip is the nice mount holes that are on the back. These mount holes are spaced a nice distance apart, and it allows it to be mounted vertically on the wall, but very securely because the mount holes are far apart. Most people would want to mount these using screws, but there are some people out there that would like to mount their power strip not using screws and not putting any holes in the wall. For those of you who are interested in not putting holes in the wall to mount your device, there's a new product available on Amazon, and it's shown here. It's called the Freeport mount plate, and the Freeport mount plate mounts to the wall using removable adhesive strips. It also has 2 mount anchors on them. Those are the gold little buttons on it, and those mount anchors can be positioned the same distance apart as these mount holes, and they're compatible with the mount holes on the back of this JOULELADY Power Strip. So I'm going to show you how this product mounts to the wall now and then how it can be used. So once you have your power strip securely mounted to the wall, you can plug items into it the same way that you would plug items into a plug on the wall. So you can plug your computer monitor, your phone into these ports. And then as you can see here, this is a power supply connected to a USB port, but you can also connect your USB ports directly into the USB ports on the power strip, as shown here. So as you can see, it looks great on the wall, and easy accessibility to all your plugs. And then when you want to remove your plugs from the wall, you would remove them the same way that you would remove them from a plug on the wall, and just simply pulling them out. So overall, very nice product, very compact, looks great on the wall, and looks great on the wall with the Freeport mount plate.